First stage tank welding continues, with 3 circumferential friction stir welds now complete. In parallel, primary structure tanks have also begun being painted on our on-site paint booth. The Stage 2 tank has been painted, and sections of the Stage 1 tank are being painted before being welded into the larger barrel. In engine manufacturing, the team wrapped up assembly and final integration of the second engine for first flight. Additional machinery is coming online to enable high-volume engine production. In the past few months, we've reduced cycle times on average by 50% across key engine components, and these additional machines will help speed up production even more. The avionics team is building the Flight Hub box, which acts as Terran R's central unit for routing data and distributing power to critical systems. After an extensive acceptance test campaign, the first flight thrust structure is now undergoing integration. This includes mounting secondary structures such as brackets, fluids, avionics, and more. Work on the Flight 2 thrust structure is also underway, with panel milling and stringer welding taking place alongside subassembly manufacturing.